Hey guys, so my name is Austin. My educational goal for the future is um, basically to help fight and conserve the planet we live on. Um, Climate change has definitely taken its course as time goes on, and there's a lot of uncertainty for the future. So I want to be able to get into the field and do my part to do whatever we can to make this planet habitable for generations to come. Something I'm looking forward to about this upcoming class, I've actually taken Bio 182 before, um, but one of the biggest things was that it was all online. So I didn't really, grasp the information very well. And so I'm really excited to be able to have this in-person experience again and to be able to ask questions when I need to, whenever I'm confused about something, and to be able to really drill the biology lingo into my head. Um, Something I may be scared or apprehensive about is kind of goes along the same lines of uh, having to take the class again. I definitely don't want to fall behind. I don't want to, not understand any of the information by the end of the semester. So um, I'm definitely a little apprehensive, but you take it day by day, and you're able to just stay ahead of things, and all should be good. Something interesting about myself, I play guitar. I love playing guitar. I love music. I go to a bunch of concerts. Um, Guitar is probably like one of my biggest hobbies. It's honestly amazing to me still to this day. I've been playing for like 5 years now, and I am amazed at the progress that I've made because I never thought I would actually be able to play guitar. I taught myself, so that's definitely an accomplishment that I have appreciated about myself for a long time now. So yeah.